Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Pratham and today we're gonna learn some more Scratch with me. So you can go to Scratch, already opened it. So you have to make an account, but I think you did. So let's click on the create to make another app. So we're done with that. Catch the mouse. I think more additions. Okay. So here's the cat. So today we're gonna make it ask some questions to us. This cat. So what we can do? So we take this one green flag, clicked always. So to make it when this green flag is clicked, then it will do the code. That's like the start button. This green flag, and let's make it say hello for 2 seconds. Okay, we can make it say hello, friend. Yes, so we find this block in the look section, all about the looks, and it will also say. So when now let's check, it will say hello friend for 2 seconds. So now let's make it ask our name. So we have to take it from the sensing section, this one, not from the looks. This ask. So it will ask, what's your name? Okay, so I'll click on the green flag. Hello friend, what's your name? And then you can see this little tab here with a check button. One check, click on that, it will send the answer. So it will save it. Okay, so you can put it. My name is Pratham, so I'll just put Pratham. You can put Pratham, and it will just stop. So now let's make something uh, with a variable to store this thing. Let's make a variable to store this because it will ask more questions to us. So it can't save, it will only save one question. That's it. So we can make a variable. So a variable is just something that just stores a value. So like there's something called something and stores something. So there's a variable called something, it stores something. So let's make the name of it name because it's asking your name. It's the name. So the variable name is name and the name is the user's name, which he puts. What he puts. So you can make that name. We can just hide it because we don't want to show this name here. It doesn't look good. So and then it will say. So then it will ask, "Are you having a good day?" Let's make it ask, "Are you having a good day?" with the name because it knows the name now, right? So it should just do like. So we can just put. We have to put a join though. So you just join. Otherwise, it can put both. So what are you doing? And then another join. Because okay, now let's put the name in here. And then let's put a question mark. Okay, there should be a space here, otherwise they'll be joined this. And then this should have a space here. And then a question mark. Okay, now if you check, hello friend, what's your name? So I'll put Pratham. So then what are you doing? Okay, but it's saying what are you doing 0 because it will say what are you doing. The variable is auto set to 0, right? We didn't set this variable. So if we set this variable, there'll be a value. So you can set this name to this answer block. It's the saved answer for the most recent question. So now if we check it, hello friend, what's your name? Okay, now I'll put it as Pratham. And now it will ask, what are you doing, Pratham? Okay, there shouldn't be a space. Just put it. Okay. So it will ask, what are you doing, Pratham? So you can just put anything. So like anything, I had lunch. Okay, I didn't really have lunch, but I'll just put it. I had lunch now. And it will just take that answer. It doesn't have to store it because you don't have to store it. And it can say, like, I was just doing some work. So you can make it. So you can make it. Oh, I was doing some work. Some work. Some office work you can do. It will always say that. So you can make it like there is a little trick you can do to make it say like two three things. So you can use an if, like an if, and then what we have to do is we have to make another variable. We can take this my variable, like, and then set it to a random number. Pick random. So we take this pick random that takes a random number. So from 1 to, so like we can have up to 3 responses. So let's just have it a little simple. So if we take this equal, we have to check if it's equal to. So check if my variable equals 1. Then, oh, I was doing some office work, it will say. Else we have to put another if else, because otherwise it can only take one more. If there are two options, we should use that. Otherwise, we can use another if else. So we take it equal to 2. You have to check if it's equal to 2, right? So take that my variable again and set it to 2. Okay. So let's make another response. So like I was talking with my friend. Okay, let's have the O first. Hi. So when a person tries this again and again, it will give different responses. Talking with another friend. Okay. And otherwise, so that means if it's not 1 or 2, it has to be 3 or my variable. So we can make it say, okay. So, oh. So like we can do, I was, I just came back from shopping. Okay. So now let's check it out. So it will ask your name. How are you doing, Pratham? So you can put, yes, like you can put anything. You can even put blah 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 blah. You can put nothing, anything. It will just take it in and then. Oh, I just came from shopping. So it got from 3. So it will equal 3. Now let's try it again. It will give a different response. Okay, it might give the same one, but what are you doing, Pratham? I was sleeping. I'll just put okay. Oh, I was doing some office work. Itself. It will keep on doing this, and it also might say, "Oh, I was talking with another friend," or anything. You can make more responses if you want, like doing this by putting another if else, and then like here in the else, put another if else and make it 4 and put the other response. Like the same. Okay, but I'll just do it for this only 3 for this tutorial. So let's make it do something. So let's add the background, because how will you be talking with him in a plain background? So, so you can make it in a room or somewhere. So they might meet. You can make it the boardwalk. Just put. So this cat, it was on the boardwalk, and he met you. Okay. So I'll just put it here, this cat, because it can't be flying up here. It has to be on the boardwalk. So you can put another person, but no. So then it can make, and then it will say, okay, I have, now I have to go home. Bye. It will say. So it will say, hello friend. What's your name? Pratham. Okay. So what are you doing, Pratham? Like, I just came. Okay, you can just do that. Oh, I was doing some office work. Okay. Taking little stroll now. I'll just put, because how can he do come from that office work and you can just copy and paste it for all of them. Okay. Okay. Do some exercise. So in another one, who is taking, and I just came to get some exercise. Okay. Shopping. Just came from shopping. Came from the shopping mall. Mall. Okay. Now you can just try it out if you want. So what's your name? Pratham. And it will ask what you're doing. Let's put something. Oh, I just came from the shopping mall. Now I have to go home. Bye. It says. Okay, so that was our today tutorial for today. Hope you learned a lot. So please like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon. See you soon.